Hi there! This is the only Indian lock that combines a smart lock with a video doorbell and an on-demand video in one sleek handle. I'm talking about the Native Lock Ultra by Urban Company. It's also the only one to provide a secure and seamless face unlock experience. There is a built-in camera, we get a speaker and microphone which enables two-way talk feature, so you can literally have a conversation with the person standing in front of the door from absolutely anywhere. Trust me, it's so convenient. There are a total of 9 ways to unlock it, which we'll talk about in detail, but now we all know locks are primarily about security more than anything else. So here too, the Native Ultra goes an extra mile with a 5-bolt system and a super strong casing for the dome frame, giving you that superior strength. The good thing is that you can replace your current lock with this one, just like I did. Don't worry, I'll show you how it was done, the installation, the setup and the experience. But first, let me take you through a quick unboxing. So here is the Native Ultra box packaging. We picked the mocha color. You can also get one in black, available on the UC app. Right at the top is the drill template for the front and back panel. Then we have the outdoor unit. The quality is just amazing. The camera is on the top, the fingerprint scanner is here, and here below is the Native branding as well. Slide this section below to access the keyhole and the USB-C port, which is something you'll probably never use. It's more of a backup. Then we have the plate, followed by the lock casing. Brilliant quality. Here is the indoor unit. The switch is for the deadlock, and here is where you place the battery. Then we have 2 batteries that support USB-C charging. Next we have 2 keys, the main key lock, and 2 NFC cards with Native and Urban Company branding. Then here are some bolts and screws for installation. And finally, the main lock itself. Wow, truly impressive. So you actually don't need to unbox this lock yourself. This was just for your reference. The company technician will visit your home or office and set up the lock for you at no extra cost. Installation is available free through the UC app across 14,000 plus pin codes in India. So as you see here, we already have a pretty standard old door lock installed. The first step was to remove the old lock, then cut the inside section as per the dimensions of the Native Ultra. I must say, the technician had all the right tools to make sure it was done perfectly. The whole process took about 2 hours and it was done really well. Alright, talking about the build. So the design is very ergonomic. It has a sleek 50mm grab handle that is easy to push or pull, along with a very premium finish. This is the mocha color. So this lock comes with more strength than any other manual or digital locks out there. To start with, it has 5 bolts, like we mentioned earlier, making it more secure than any other lock that comes with 2 or 3 bolts. Additionally, the motor pin, which is the main mechanism that turns the bolts, is strapped inside the back panel of the lock and cannot be reached even if someone manages to break the front of the lock. It comes with a compatible casing for the door frame, making the deadlocks more secure than ever. Surprisingly, this is where most locks fail, because when someone kicks the door, it applies heavy force and the bolts are sometimes loose against the casing and that lock breaks. Native has gone an extra step to redesign that, making it 100 times more resistant to forced entry. It's been tested against competitors and held up to 200 strikes compared to the competitors that failed with just 2 strikes. I think that says a lot. Then tap on the front panel and the numbers will light up, along with a bell button. By the way, this lock also connects to your existing doorbell, and you'll get notified every time someone rings it. The numbers are well spaced, so tapping is convenient. Slide this section to access the USB-C port and the physical key lock. Slide the key in to unlock the door. That's the traditional way. The USB-C slot is there to jumpstart the lock using a power bank just in case the battery is depleted. However, that's an extremely rare scenario. Firstly, that's a 5000 mAh battery which would last about 2 months, and when it's low, you'll get notified on the app. You can simply replace it with the second battery provided in the box itself. On the inside panel towards the top is where you place the battery. It's easy to remove and put back. Then this section is where you press to unlock the door from inside. I think it's so ergonomic. You press, it unlocks and you pull. I just love how effortlessly this works. Further down, lift the shutter, and this is where you have the manual switch that acts as a child lock to enable the security bolts. Turn it the other way and you can manually unlock the door as well. Further below is the deadbolt, which can only be controlled physically from inside. So once installed, you need to set it up using the Urban Company app on your phone. It first connects via Bluetooth and then lock connects to the home Wi-Fi. So you can access the lock from anywhere in the world. There you go. Slide to unlock right from your phone. Alright, let's see how you can unlock it. My favorite one has to be face recognition unlock. So you can set up your face using the app, stand in front of the lock at an arm's distance to register. There you go. Done. Now just show up in front of your door and voila, it unlocks just like magic. Also, I wanted to share, I've tried using this in low light at night and it still works flawlessly. You can add about 50 faces and it uses 3D face mapping, which means any false attempts using a photo will fail. Then there are multiple benefits to this camera, of course. You can see who's there. So you can also have a two-way conversation. Press talk to visitor on the app and the other person can talk to the lock and you will hear them, just like a video call. So now when someone is at your door, it feels like you're still there to answer the door even when you're not at home. Now another benefit of this camera is that it notifies you if someone is trying to break in or just loitering around outside your home. This is how we know that Native is taking security very seriously. And of course, there's everyone's favorite, the fingerprint scanner. Setting it up is exactly the same as face unlock from the app. Place your fingerprint on the sensor to register. Once done, place your thumb on the sensor and you're in. Easy peasy. By the way, you can save over 100 fingerprints under one profile. Then you can also use the number keypad to unlock the door or use the NFC card, which is ideal for giving access to someone whose biometrics you haven't set up. Timed access is also something that you can use for house help. For example, if your house help comes at 10 AM while you're at work, you can set the biometrics will work only between 10 to 11 AM. So they have access to the lock only during that time. I think it's a very handy feature to have. More on the app, there is a child lock, which disables the switch from the back, so you can only manually open the lock from below. You can also create visitor codes, so when you have guests, it will send codes directly to their WhatsApp. Then there's the high security mode, ideal when you're going on a vacation or leaving the home alone for a few days. Do not disturb can also be enabled from the app, so there are no doorbells or notifications. Then you can also add more members who can share access through the app. Door activity can also be seen here, who came to the door and when. It takes a picture every time someone presses the bell. There's also notification management where you can enable lurker alerts and members entry notifications. Then you can see the warranty details here. We get 3 years of unconditional warranty. And if you've seen or used any Native product, you know what they really mean when they say unconditional. Everything is covered. And you can be assured that you won't have to spend a rupee no matter what happens during those 3 years. You can also check the alert history. You can get unlock attempts with a picture of the person. And even alerts of the door if it's not fully closed or if it has been left open for too long. I mean, you couldn't have asked for more. It's a feature-packed app, plus it's so easy to use. So, if you're looking for a fully loaded and secure smart lock, you must check out the Native Ultra Smartlock by Urban Company. It's priced at $24,999 and you can buy it directly from the Urban Company app itself or from Amazon or even Flipkart. The installation and setup are all handled seamlessly by the brand. It's available in both mocha and black. So, make your pick. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.